Welcome back to 2cutebeads.com. Today we're going to work on our Christmas flower kit. And you've got everything you need in the kit. This is what we'll be creating. Bracelets, it's got the new shimmer hearts. It's got the dark moss green. It has a crystal quartz vase and a Swarovski triangle. Down here at the bottom, that's how we created our vase. This one is really pretty and it's going to be great to give to friends and family or keep for yourself. I have a whole collection. So let's look at the kit. If I can get it open. So it's got everything in it. It's got your glue. It's got your crystal quartz. Swarovski triangles in there. There's your hearts, icons, and plenty of wire. I'm going to set this off to the side. I've already started on creating a few of my leaves, and so we're going to continue with the leaves. Again, 5 or 6 inches of wire, and this leaf we do it a little bit different because we're going through a smaller hole here, and we need to get all our wires through there. So on this one, we're going to start and load our 3 beads. And we're going to center it. And again, we're just going to twist. And we make these a little more spaced apart because we're working with a larger flower. We're going to add 3 more. We're going to come up, twist everything down. So this is why we use a little longer wire also, you'll see when we get ready to put it together. Added our 3 beads, pinch them together. Make sure we get our wraps nice and tight. Bring these together. Now I'm going to grab my bent nose. I'm going to wrap this down, making it nice and tight. And I'm going to nip off one of my wires. Like this. So on 2 of them I've done that, and 1 of them I did a full twist down. Okay, now we're going to open our hearts. The shimmer's beautiful. I love the new shimmer effect. And we're going to load seven hearts on. We want them all facing the same direction. We're going to come back through our first 3. We're going to pull. And we're going to stop. We're just going to set that to the side. We're going to open our next package of beads. And we're going to find a large 8mm in there. I've already speeded it up a little bit by making all of my leaves, so I'm just going to get these out of our way. So now I'm going to take and set your large hole silver to the side. Make sure you don't lose it, or keep it in your container until you're ready for it. So now we're going to load our little bracelets. And we have 6 of them, so we are going to back through our first 3. Maybe. No, I'll back through my first 3. And again, when working with bracelets, remember you need to be a little more gentle. So there we are with that. And you know what? I think I put in this package of my leaf components, I have a round in there, which you need to take out and set to the side. I can find it. It stands out from your other leaves because it is a fern green double AB. And it doesn't want to come out. There it is. Okay, and again, like with all of our other flowers, we're going to load our round on. And we're going to bring our wire back through. And we're going to pull it in place. We're going to take our wires behind, pinch them together. We have a nice flower here. Kind of point your bracelets up, and we're going to twist. Again, gently, because we're working with bracelets. So just twist a little bit and then grab your bent nose. Twist it down. Cut off your extra wire. So as you can see, we only have one coming out here now. We're going to set this in the center. Line it up. We're going to bring these wires together. We're going to start twisting. Get up there nice and close and make sure that you have your flower pulled down. Get in there nice and close. Start twisting. We have that on top of that. Now we're going to take our bicone, load it on, get it in place. It's the back of our flower and it's going to hold everything in place. Now we're just going to continue to twist. Now we're going to start our arrangement. And again, you can do this any way you'd like. And I'm going to put this one on this side. With your fingers, you're just going to pinch them together. One a little taller. Which one's taller? This one. So I'm going to bring it up a little higher. And I'll put this one over here. Hold them together right up next to the bicone and twist. Make sure you like your arrangement before you twist too far down. I'm liking that. So I'm going to go ahead and twist my stem. And this is going to determine the height right now. Make sure you get all your wires in there. May not have twisted far enough down, but I think I did. They're all loaded in. Now, this is where I'm going to grab my large hole. all my wires in there. I've missed one. Pull tightly. It's holding everything in place. Nip. Bend it back. Now it's going to sit right on my triangle. Now with one of the plastic bags you've been provided, you're going to take your glue. You're going to fill this with glue. You're going to set it on your plastic bag. Should all be filled with glue. Then you're going to position this, making sure you have it all straight. And you may have to hold it for a few minutes. And let it dry for 24 hours. Then you can peel your plastic bag right off the bottom of it. And there you have our Christmas flower. Thank you for joining us at 2QBeads.com.